Over the past few years, the way we work has changed, and today, when it comes to video conferencing needs, companies and individuals are looking for two things. That's quality and convenience. And when it comes to that, you need to look no further than Panasonic's PressIT360 speakerphone. So let's get this open and take a little look. So we open up the packaging, we have our instruction manual and plenty of protective packaging in here to keep this speakerphone nice and safe. So we take it out the box. The first thing that strikes me about this speakerphone is just how professional it looks. It's sleek, it's ergonomic, it's not obtrusive. So it doesn't matter the size of your space. If you're using this for a huddle space or a boardroom, you know it's not going to get in the way. Moving on to some of the key features. The first thing I notice about this is that we've got 4 individual cameras instead of a fisheye lens, which means once you're speaking with multiple participants, every person can be seen clearly with absolutely no distortion. On the top, we have 7 individual microphones here. These can offer between 150 and 300 watts depending on the type of power outage you're using, whether it's USB-C or the regular AC adapter. Coming down to the bottom here, we have the user interface, and I can't stress enough how simple this is. You have your simple mute button, your lower volume, increase volume, and your video picture mode to change the kind of picture that your recipient will be seeing on the screen. And around the lower end here, you can see there is an LED ring in order to indicate whether your microphone is plugged in and who is speaking. And also, if we look down at the bottom here, you can see there is an adapter in order to fit this microphone onto a tripod. So if you are in a room where the room layout is quite open, but you still need to see every participant, just put this thing on a tripod and everyone's going to be seen. So now we've opened up the box completely, we can see all the accessories that come inside, and you've got a number of options. Convenience is the name of the game when it comes to this product. First thing you have here is your AC adapter for plugging into a plug socket. You just plug that into the speakerphone and you're good to go. Alternatively, there's a USB-C to USB-C connector, as well as a USB-A to USB-C connector. And thinking about the European market in mind, if you're traveling on the go, you have got many options for connecting your AC adapter. You have your US connector, your EU connector, and your UK adapter here. So no matter where you are in the world, you've always got your correct adapter to use when you're on the go. When it comes to a product like this, it's all about convenience. So let's get this thing set up and see how easy it is to use. When it comes to your everyday meetings, if you're going for a quick huddle space environment where you just need to get 2 or 3 people in for a 5-minute meeting, it's all about getting your product set up and ready to go in seconds flat. And with the PressIT360, I think they've nailed that right out the box. And to show you how simple it is to do, I take my AC adapter and my UK plug, in that goes. Simple as that, slides in. Connecting it up to my own personal device. Yes, so you can see we've got the LED ring right on the bottom here. So we've got different indicators for different statuses. So in this case, we've got the flashing red light to tell us that the microphone is setting up, and it's now turned white to show us that the microphone itself is ready to use. So we're going to connect it to our device. We're going to plug in the USB-C, like so, and our USB-A connector straight into the laptop. So let's talk a bit more about this user interface. Just like the setup, this couldn't be any simpler. The first thing you'll notice is the LED ring. This is a dynamic ring. So at the moment, as I talk and move around the room, as I transition to a different part of the room, this LED will track me around so you always know where the sound in the room is coming from to get rid of any unexpected sound. Moving on to the interface itself, if I click the mute button here, you can see that my light has turned red. You never have to be worried about being told you're on mute. You'll know just by looking at it. And if I turn off my camera as well, you will see that the LED ring will start to move around in a circle like that to let you know that it's not set up. This way you can troubleshoot this product just by having a look at the LED light. It really is that simple. So if I turn that back on, we have our volume control. So to lower the volume, like so, to increase the volume like that. And when it comes to the audio quality,
hello, how you doing?
It really is that clear. And finally, we bring ourselves onto the video display mode button. Now this button allows us to change view with just a press of a button, cycling through different presets that make the most use of the 4 cameras and 7 microphones. I think the best way to demonstrate how effective and dynamic this product is to get ourselves on a meeting, set up, ready to rock and roll.
So Reece, for this unboxing, we found ourselves having to commandeer a spare room in our office without much equipment in situ. What would be the ideal screen setup for this product for a meeting as such, with us 3 in the room and Greg working from another office?
That's a great question, and the PressIT360 comes with a variety of video display modes, and the best one to really capture this sort of impromptu huddle room setup is dual view. You can see that you've got a view of the entire conference room, you can see exactly who is here, while also focusing on those key speakers. So as I'm speaking, Greg can now see that I am the speaking participant while keeping everyone else in view there. But that's not the only one they have to offer. There is also single view. So that will bring us into a face-to-face conversation. So if we were, working in an office environment like this, for example, and you didn't want to see the entire room, you just want to focus on that individual participant, this is the way to do it.
Can I see myself on single view? Oh yeah, look at that, really good.
It's very dynamic, a quick delay and then straight into the conversation. You're not going to miss anything when using this kind of view in a huddle room environment. But that's not all. Let's say, for example, you want to see every participant in the room. We simply go over to multi-view, like so. So the speakerphone is now picking us all up individually. The speaker is in the center, as you can see, and we're able to enlarge everyone's faces. Everyone's present in this meeting. You're not going to miss everything. You're going to get every expression. The audio is going to be perfectly clear. Nothing is going to be missed. The other one that's worth using, not necessarily in this environment, but in a larger boardroom environment, would be surround view. So you can see that there's a 360-degree view split into 2 screens, which shows you that long table. You'll be able to see every participant in that meeting. But like I said, it doesn't really work for the setup we've got here. There is also stable view as well, which would allow you to use the IT360 as a regular web camera if you just want those typical quick one-on-one meetings on your favorite video conferencing platform.
Okay. All right.
It's good, yeah, impressive.
And there you have it. That's every capability of Panasonic's PressIT360. I think it's an incredibly versatile product. It looks so professional, so sleek, and as you've seen, it takes seconds to set one of these up. It's perfect for your small huddle room environments or your big boardrooms if you're bringing in every representative. If you'd like to request a demo or to find out more about Panasonic's PressIT360, check out the link below.